Hey guys, okay, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another episode of Car DIY. For today's episode, right, just when I was thinking that, the mods are running out, I don't know what to do for the next few videos, right, so I was involved in a hit and run accident, right. So what happened was I was eating at a restaurant, right, and when I came out, right, my car was actually hit by someone, right. As you can see, the front bumper, right, it was scratched by someone's car. Right, but luckily, there were a few witnesses, and the person actually wrote a note and put it on my windscreen, and he told me, I saw this guy with the number plate and the car manufacturer, and the car details, alright, and then we went from there. So long story short, we actually got the compensation for the car bumper. So what I will do is I will try to clean it up. Because it has become an eyesore, right? Because every time I look at my car, when you park your car at a car park, and when you walk away, you look at your car, you'll be like, looking here and there. But the thing is, the scratches is actually it's really an eyesore. Yeah, and the thing is, when you have something like this on your car, right? Other people might think, hey, this guy, bad driver, you see, he scratched here and there. So I am going to fix it, in not a very professional way, alright, but I just don't want all the scratches and all this to look on the car, right? And I haven't touched the car yet, after it was scratched already, right? So today we're going to show you how we actually clean it up, right? To the best of my knowledge, you can clean it up a bit so that it doesn't look so obvious and so ugly, right? So guys, before I start, for those of you who are new here, please remember to like and subscribe. We'll have more DIY videos, not more accident videos. I don't want that. We have more DIY videos coming soon. Alright, so without further ado, I'm going to show you roughly how I do it. I saw some steps on the internet, I'm going to try it. So let's go. So guys, that was a 30-minute fix. Actually it took less than that. I didn't really count the time. So it still looks pretty bad, alright, but it is better than before. But as you can see, some of the deeper scratches, right, they were impossible to be cleaned or polished off, because it has gone all the way through the clear coat and all the way to the paint already, right? So this is how it is. I'll leave it like this for a while now, while I wait for the new bumper or go to the paint shop and get it fixed. Actually I don't know which one should I go to. For those of you who are listening here, if you have any ideas, should I go for the new bumper or should I respray it? Do let me know in the comments down below. Right, so guys, I hope you guys have enjoyed this episode. If you like this, please remember to smash the like button, remember to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Alright, so stay safe, stay healthy, and happy modding your car. Bye bye.